It is a new moon or a no moon day on Earth because we are looking at the unlit part of the moon. The moon's part which is facing the Earth is unlit and the other part is lit. Then few days later, moon comes to a new position. Here, the side facing the Earth is partly lit by sun's light. Still, the substantially lit part of the moon is on the other side. Hence, we see a crescent-shaped moon. We call it a waxing crescent because the moon's size as seen from the Earth is increasing day by day. Then comes the first quarter phase around 7 days after the new moon day. This is when half of the Earth-facing part of the moon is lit. When the moon moves along its path, more than half of the Earth-facing part of the moon is lit by the sun and very little part is left dark. This is called the waxing gibbous. Moon moves a little ahead and we see the full moon. Here the moon's side facing the Earth is fully lit. It happens after every 15 days from the night of the new moon. After a few days, the moon has travelled ahead. Here also, the half hemisphere of the moon is lit, but the side facing the Earth is almost lit, but with little part of dark surface. This is where we see the gibbous moon. Since the size of the moon is decreasing, we called it a waning gibbous. The moon has now moved still ahead. Now the side of the moon that is facing the Earth is lit, but the other half is still dark. That is why from the Earth we see a half moon. This is the phase that we call as the third quarter phase. Now further along the path, the moon's side that is facing us is dark and we see a thin crescent-shaped moon. And when moon moves ahead, we see